Hey guys, this is Rehan. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to do an unboxing of Amazon Basics charger, car charger, which I bought for my car. So that's why I'm doing the unboxing and review inside my car. So without wasting any time, let's go into the video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Rehan and I do a lot of gadget review videos, vlogs, 360 videos, educational videos, hacking tutorials and much more, and even cooking videos from my mother, a lot of it. And if you guys are interested in any one of these topics, stay subscribed to my channel for more videos. Okay, so let's go into the unboxing. Okay, so the Amazon Basic charger didn't came with any fancy packaging. It just came with this cardboard box, like how the this Amazon USB cable came. So which I have made a review on that 3 feet cable, which I have given in the link in the description below. You guys can check it out. So let me open it. So first I'll unseal it with this one. Okay, so that's it guys, there's nothing here. It's only the charger which is inside. So this is how it looks, and there is a manual, I guess. I don't want to waste your guys' time on that. Okay, so I saw my first impression in this is kind of like a very small. It's kind of like the size of my, wow, it's very small and cute guys. And this is my Samsung car charger. See how big it is, and this is very smaller one. Wow, this is very big guys, and this is very small, and it's also looking very cute as well. It didn't came with any specification like it supports fast charging or not, so that's what we are going to do, test it anytime soon. Okay, so let's remove it from the cover. Okay, let me focus to my Amazon. Okay, so this is how it looks guys. As you guys can see, the build quality is really good. It's not like a superb quality, but it is actually a very good quality. And it has 2 USB pins. I hope it is fast charging. Let's test it out in a moment. And this is where you have to plug it inside it, and this is some of the product description. So it is a dual USB charger as promised by Amazon Basics, and this is the brand. Okay, so let me plug into the so this is my current charger which I'm using. There is no issue in this. It is still reliable and still I'm using it. I also have made a video on this, and I also shown whether this supports fast charging or not, and everything in detail in that video. Do check that out in the link in the description below. So this is a very good charger guys. So I bought this actually for my relative, for my uncle. So he also has a car and he wants a really good cheap and best charger. So this one actually is very pricey, but this one is kind of like a cheap, and during the sales it came down around like another 200 rupees discount. So I bought this during the sales time, so you guys can check that in the link in the description below. Okay, so this is the old charger which I use. This is also dual USB charger. So let me remove that USBs from me. Okay, let it focus back to me. Okay, so I'm going to insert both of this into this one. Okay, so both the USB wires are fit. Let me connect it to my what's the charging point. So after connecting to the charging point, so this is how it looks. I don't know whether you guys can able to see it or not. The light is actually flashing. The blue light is flashing here. So once you connected the charger, it will indicate like whether it is connected or whether the power is on or off. So which will also help during the night time to find the like this charger easily. So when you guys are riding at night, so that it will be also much more useful. Okay, so let me connect it to my smartphone and see whether the fast charging works or not. Okay guys, now I have connected the Amazon Basics charger with my smartphone. So as you guys can see, now if I unlock it, as you guys can see, it just shows only charging. Bad news guys, it doesn't support fast charging. So if you guys are looking for a fast charging charger, don't buy this. You guys can buy this Where did I keep my charger? Yeah. So you guys can buy this a Samsung car charger which supports fast charging. So so this will actually charges your phone within 20 to 30 minutes based on your phone fast charging support. So as you guys can see, even it is written here as adaptive fast charging. So so this is actually costly, guys, so don't fall for this. Actually, this is actually costly, so if you guys have the budget, go for this. If not, then I would recommend you guys go for this one, because at this price, this is the cheap and best car charger. So the build quality, even this dual USB support, everything works fine. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this charger, and if you guys like this charger, check the link in the description below. And my final verdict is, if you're tight on a budget, and if you're looking for a really good quality car charger that will be reliable, and you don't mind whether it has a fast charging or not, then I would recommend you guys to go for this Amazon Basics charger. But if you guys have some more budget, and if you guys want fast charging as well, then I would recommend you guys to go for this Samsung car charger, which is actually reliable. I think I took this review video like more than 2 years ago, and it is still working, and it is really good, reliable. And if you're guys watching this review video after 2 years or something, let me know. I'll also update you guys in the comments below. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, just leave a thumbs up and stay subscribed to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.